What's up guys, welcome white pretty, it's your girl with another video. Okay, so I'm just coming on here to make this quick. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come over to everything Teash. So I realized in this video that I did not do an intro because we were moving the couch. We were just like, oh, let's get this done. He was already like, I gotta go home, I gotta go take care of my dog. So I just had to turn the camera on. I did not do an intro, so here's the intro. I got a new couch. Okay, I got a new couch, so I went away from bohemian look, and I don't know, now I just have color in here. My birthday is coming up, y'all. I'm going on 2 trips within the next 2 weeks. Y'all will see that. Okay, I just spontaneously booked a trip 2 days ago, and that's next week. Next Thursday I'm leaving, and then I come back, and then I go to my birthday trip 9 days later, and then when I come back, it'll be the 2nd of the year. So I have a lot going on. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to Everything Teash. Check out my TikTok. Hello. Follow me on Instagram. It's up and it's stuff, okay? A video of mine on Instagram got over 300-something thousand views. I gained like 1,000 followers from it. I don't really mess with Instagram like that because I don't really mess with them. But let's see what we can do over there. Let's see what we can do over here. Thank you to my new subscribers. I see y'all. I promise you, I've been trying to get this video up. I promise you, I've been trying to get this video up. I could not figure out how to blur this man out. I could not figure out how to blur this man out. It just was not working. So I finally figured it out. Don't worry about why some of the blurs are hard. Hey, I went with it. I said, hey, whatever you want to put over here, just blur him out. I do not care. Blur this man out so I can get this up. Finally, 2 weeks later, I think it's like the 14th day now, I can get it up. So that means this needs to move in. Come on, let's go.
What are you doing?
Moving, what are we doing?
I'm taking this out. Out of the way.
I have to put those down, right?
Yeah.
This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Shit.
Wait.
This stuff is heavy.
Yeah. You can't take those out. You know you're very irritated. Well, let's move one of these here. One of these have to go here so that this can come here. Ready, set, use your feet, your back. I mean, you know what the fuck I'm trying to say. Yeah. It's okay, I got it. Because we trying to. You know, I don't mind this being here. That part.
Yeah, it's gonna
like coming this way. Okay, so let's see what we need to do with this.
I'm gonna turn it around. I don't know why you can walk with this thing.
Hold on. Hold on.
I no get time, Dada cover my face, calling me Abba. Biggie man, we do big Abba.
What do you think though? What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, oh, you been the garden.
Actually, here, I'll do this one.
Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money. But my my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl.
Now where is the thing? You done put it. Oh no. I can't get that.
I'll have to hang it up. And then you can put this and then put those two things on the side.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That's the bohemian, so that'll go in my room.
Them no fit that job. I know they from say I too righteous. No con they from say you too like one. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Pokemon.
Now you saying you needed to hang it up for me. I had those two up, so I already had nails in there.
Oh.
Complimented so well. I got an acting brand new.
It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true. Make me say I can't get your tenderness, still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I don't say love.
I'm still in love.
Okay, so this is the final look. This is what my apartment looks like now. And I absolutely love my rug. Do you see that? That was going great with the bohemian style. I'm watching Charles and Alyssa. They're back, okay? But yeah, that's what my living room looks like now. It feels so homey. It did before. I still have that second couch over in the corner. I've been trying to sell it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it. I love this. I love this as well. I love my blanket area, the plant. It all came together, and I'm absolutely grateful for everything that's been going on, because before your blessing, there's a storm. And there was a storm in January and February. I was at my lowest then. So to see where I am now, I'm in tech. I am absolutely happy. I'm just so grateful, because there's so much going on in this world, and all I can do is be grateful and give my support where I can, right? So I'm excited. There's more to come. Just go ahead and watch. So it's the 29th. I'm still fasting. Working out. Obviously I have to shred the fat first, which fasting is doing before you can actually see some tone. So this is going to continue. I've been doing eating at 11 a.m. My window is from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So I do a 16 to 8 fasting hours, of where 16 hours I'm not eating. 8 hours is my window to eat. So I just woke up. It's the 29th. So let me show you guys how it looks now. So I have my waist trainer on so that it can trap the heat a little bit more. And I'm doing the castor oil thing that I showed you guys the last time. So cold pressed castor oil, not just any castor oil. It needs to be cold pressed. And then I put it all over here in my back, because that's where the issue is. So this is what it looks like today on the 19th. From the side, front, side, back. Y'all ain't see nothing but rolls right here, rolls back here.